Hey guys, I recently purchased this here CARIB Gear Pro. It's a complete laminate and wood floor installation. This whole set probably costs like about $25–$30. So if you go to the store and you buy them separate, it can cost you a lot more. And it comes with all that. That's pretty neat. So let's open it and let's see how well this is made. So the mallet, you can see here, pretty durable. And these mallet are specially made for vinyl flooring. If you get any other kind, you might damage your flooring. So I recommend getting a kit or a mallet like that. And here's your spacer, and it looks like 10 in each bag. You got your block to knock your laminate flooring into place. Very well made. I like the color of it. It's bright, so you can't lose it, right? And this is your puller. Oh, it's actually sturdy. Look how large that is. That's a full size, a professional size. That's very nice. And it has, you can see your pads on the back so you won't scratch your flooring when you slide. That's a nice feature. And then you have your gauge. Let's open this up. It then came with a little Allen wrench to tighten it. So let's see how this works. So let's say this is your door jamb. You just put it up against it and you lock this in place, and it locks it in place. So it actually does work. You see that? You even have a measurement here. It looks like in inches, centimeters. And you buy this separate in the store. I believe it's like $15, but you can get all this together for like $25. So this is nice. This is one thing that drew me to it, was this gauge here. And you lock it in place. That simple. So this whole set, the whole set's worth it. If you want to do your flooring, get set like this. There's a link below if you're interested. You can further review it also. But I do like it. I recommend it, and I look forward to using it. Until next time, take care.